Alright, so for today's hairstyle, we're going to be doing flat twists, jumbo flat twist to be exact. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, and I was diagnosed with Chiari malformation 1 with the syrinx, which is fluid on the spine, and I had brain surgery over 4 months ago. So in these tutorials, I'll just be trying different hairstyles that, look good with my shaved hair in the back for my brain surgery. So yeah, I've got my edge control and my rubber bands. So right now I'm just trying to part. And for some reason I was having a really hard time parting my hair today. Not sure why. I do know that one of the symptoms of Chiari malformation is like issues swallowing, but in addition to trying to heal from brain surgery and dealing with the plethora of other symptoms on the regular, I'm having some issues with my throat that I got to figure out. So whatever I have going on, I think I bent down to pick up something, and a good portion of my day was spent gagging and trying not to throw up. So I was like, nope, I'm not going to let it stop me. I'm going to do this hair tutorial anyway. So yeah, maybe that's why I was struggling to part, because I was a little frustrated thanks to, my throat. At any rate, so I'm parting it, doing the flat twist. And like I said, these are jumbo flat twists. So I just basically twist them all the way to the back. Add the rubber band. Yeah, I think I've probably been doing this style for over probably 25 years. I don't usually do them this big, but I'm trying to make this work today. But yeah, I've been doing family members' hair, my kids' hair, forever. But I definitely would not want to be a beautician, because my work has to be precise. My parts have to be straight. And I'm meticulous when it comes to doing hair, which takes forever, which is why I could not be a beautician or a hairstylist, because I'm a little on the slow side when it comes to time management. At any rate, the styles always come out cute, so that's a plus. Alright, so once again, just separating, reparting. Seems like 1,000,001 times. For some reason, just wasn't doing right today. Make sure you always detangle from the ends. As I stated before, I did co-wash prior to this hair tutorial. Seems like my hair does much better when it's still wet. So, yeah. And on my hair, seems like after I had my kids, my temple area, it's like the hair just thinned out. So usually on that part, I have to kind of make it work because that part is gone. Decided to do a little twist bang there after trying to figure out how to part it. Yeah, I have to use quite a bit of edge control on my hair so that it can look decent. I decided to do these twists pretty big just so it's not time consuming, because the video itself was like an actual hour and I had to cut it down because no one wants to sit and watch somebody doing hair forever. So yeah, I sped it up for you. Finishing up the second flat twist. Putting a rubber band on, And when I usually put it on, I'll pull the hair forward because I don't want it to snag any hair underneath, because then it ends up hurting, making bumps, and we definitely don't want that. For me, water is my best friend. All right. Trying to make sure I cover up that little area right there. I'll try to work on my faces. You know how it is when you're trying to concentrate. I was actually in a hurry because I was having to take my son to work, so just trying to get her done. And I know it's probably not a good idea to put edge control on your scalp directly, but for me, it just makes the part much smoother. And if not, then, that'll bother me because I'm so meticulous and I like my parts to be straight. You know? Add more water, detangling. Yeah, just meticulous. A brush comes in handy with flyaways. And this is actually my favorite edge control. Shown at the beginning of the video, that's my favorite. It works, it smooths it down, it makes my hair look juicy. This is the absolute best one. And I love it. And yes, I know it's not good to put rubber bands in your mouth, but hey. I have a lot of hair, so it gets tiresome. But do what you gotta do. I think I'm gonna invest in me one of those mirrors that fold out that you can just set behind you. Which is probably more convenient and easier than having to constantly pick up a handheld mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna try to cover up that little part right there that seemed to have fallen out after I had my last baby. Like, what, 15 years ago? Yep. All right. 2 more to go. Got my curly cues. Like I said before, I totally feel naked without those. I've been doing them forever and a day. Can't help it. Detangling. you happen to have any hairstyle ideas you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty creative, so I can come up with stuff. One more to go. At that point, my body was already getting tired. My back started hurting. This is the best edge control. I've tried a lot of them. And this one, it doesn't make your hair look dry. You know, it gives it a nice shine. Alright, so we're down to the wire. Last flat twist of the day. And I know I'm going pretty fast, but just grab and twist, grab and twist. Practice makes perfect. What y'all think? Just adding my water so that the hair near my incision doesn't look dry while I'm still trying to heal. Cute, huh? Alright. If you like this type of video, or if you like this one in particular, please like, share, and subscribe. I think it turned out pretty cute. Put a little makeup on for you. Thanks so much for watching, and be blessed. Bye.